learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you a scenario that's kind of interesting that could happen at the workplace. But you're not there to take a vacation. You just want a day off, a few hours off. 有的时候我们请假呢，只是为了有些事情要去处理啦，或者是真的不舒服啦，或者是家中爸爸妈妈呢要去帮忙一些事情等等，都有可能嘛，对不对？这种请假呢，可能都是非常临时的。那你要怎么跟老板说我要请假 ？I want some time off.
我爱请假。
我爱请假，请假就是请假嘛。That means taking time off. And the boss or your manager might ask you in concern, 你怎么了 What's wrong?
用的黑毛。
用的黑毛 All right. So let's derive a scenario right here. 可能就是真的不舒服了嘛，对不对？I don't feel too well. 我不舒服，那怎么说呢？
我不爽爽。
我不爽爽，就是北宋的对了。
不舒服嘛，所以就
爽爽啊，北宋啊。我不舒服 It sounds like I'm not having a good time, but it really means I'm feeling unwell. 再讲一次。
我不爽爽。
我不爽爽 Okay. Now it could be because 可能是头痛啊 headache.
头脑痛。
头脑痛，牙痛啊。
牙齿痛。
牙齿痛 That's a toothache. Or maybe tummy ache, stomach ache. 肚子痛。
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 那肚子痛，海陆腔，肚脐痛。
肚脐痛 OK. 好像要真的要堵你，要捅你的感觉了。
哦，那很可怕。
那更痛了哈。That's a different dialect of saying a stomach ache. 或者你只是很头晕啊，就是感觉就是有一点 nauseous， 我们会英文这样讲，那怎么说头晕呢？
头晕晕，
头晕晕，真的边听边晕的感觉哈。好，我们来蕊一下，因为这种状况真的常常会发生，要请个假嘛I want some time off， 我要请假。
我爱请假。
我爱请假，请假 is taking time off, and the boss might ask, "What's wrong？ 你怎么了？"
用的黑毛。
用的黑毛，有可能是肚子痛、牙齿痛、头痛。
肚子痛，牙齿痛，头脑痛，
痛啊，还是三个都痛？
真的很痛哦。
That's stomach ache, toothache, and a headache. And basically, you're not feeling well. 其实呢，就总称一句就是我不舒服啦。
我不爽爽。
我不爽爽 That's one phrase you should remember well because it's so simple to use. 我不爽爽 There you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太干？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.